Hey, what's up guys, this is Priyashtha here and you've been watching Programming Nation, and over here today we are going to make a 3D shape that is a cube in the Qbasic with the help of line commands. As we know that in the past we have made different polygons or different shapes with the help of this line command, from a 3-sided figure that is a triangle to the 10-sided figure that is a decagon. Now we are going to move forward a bit, a step ahead to a 3D shape that is a cube. And making a cube isn't that hard, but it's not easy also, because over here we are having many we are having more number of lines, plus we are having more number of vertices. So we have to note down that which point will come where, so that will help you down in making these type of figures. So first we'll jot down basic things which we know about a cube. So first thing, the number of lines required to make a cube. That in real life, how we make a cube: first we draw one square, then at a few distance, like from each coordinate of a square, we either take equal distances towards right or left, and then we make another square, and then we join all the points that is parallel. So the same way, so over there we require 4 in one square, 4 in second square, and 4 in joining the line. So we will divide it like this: 1 2 3 4 for the first square, 5 6 7 8 for the second square, 9 10 11 12 for the last for joining these. Now the second thing is that second thing which we have to notice, number of vertices or the number of coordinates which we require to make. So in making first two squares, we'll get all the 8 coordinates, and in the last 4 line commands, what we have to do is that join those parallel coordinates to each other. So first we'll make a basic square, which we all know how to make: line, then basic things which we all know, which after learning these, after watching my tutorials, you would be aware about how to make these things. So just let's take this square, and yeah, as you know, I love to go in a particular manner, whether it be clockwise or anti-clockwise. I will go clockwise. So over here, and because it becomes easy to find the coordinates and to locate them, as you know, then parallel to the line 1, we'll use the 300, 100, then over here 300 I guess. Yeah, perfect. And the last one would be joining the last coordinate of the first line and the last coordinate of the third line. So 100 300, and it would be 300 300. Okay, sorry, there is a mistake. Okay, I did a bit. Okay, my fault. It would be 300 100. Perfect. Sorry, that was my mistake. I had gone in a bit wrong way. So yeah, now we have made first square. Now from each coordinate we will move a bit parallel towards right side. From your, like, you're watching the video, we will be seeing that the second square would be parallel to the right and parallel to each coordinates of square 1. So making squares in these isn't that hard, but locating the points is hard. So you have to keep mind in that, and always remember whatever I used to say about basic tricks, like just jot down the information about that particular figure, then jot down the information about which coordinate you should use where. It would be helpful for you. And this second is also a basic square. First we have to identify at what distance it should be. First we'll write as you can see, there is the line. The line 5 is parallel to line 1, line 2 is parallel to line 6 is parallel to line 2, line 7 will be parallel to line 3, and if you will make like this, it will become easier for you all Making it in other ways isn't hard, but making it in other ways will create a confusion in your mind about creating it. See what we have done over here. Let me just write the last code also, last line command, then we'll explain you once. 400 joining it with 200 400, done. Yeah, so we have made a square parallel to each other. So over here what we have done is that we have moved in first line and fifth line. What is the difference? They are parallel, but the difference is of 100 coordinates, 100 coordinates. See, 100 200 100 and 200 over here. 100 200 and 300 has become 400. We have you have moved each point and coordinate x, each axis also, x-axis y-axis, by 1 by 100. Okay, so whatever is over here as 100, it will become 200 over here, and so on. So you can just see the pattern over here, and perfectly we are able to make us two squares. Now what we'll be doing is that we'll be joining all these points. Okay, that is also not hard. We'll show you how to do this. Okay, so first thing is that wait, okay, just let me just, so over here the first, over here as you can see, we have started from the bottom left. Okay, so the bottom left, both bottom left points we will join. So over here what is the bottom left point? 100 100, and over here what is the bottom left point? 200 200. Okay, sorry, it's the bottom, sorry, it's the top. Okay, sorry, it's my fault. It's the top left, sorry. Yeah, we'll be joining the top left. This is the top left and this is the bottom left. Okay, I got it, sorry, my fault. Yeah, so the now like this we have joined the top left. So these each coordinate of each square, like top left will be joined. Then next would be bottom left of first square, bottom left of second square, 200 400. Yeah, so over here in the first 8 lines we have got all the 8 coordinates, 4 in the first 4 and next 4 in the next 4 line commands. Now in the same way we'll go through this and then join the next one. So the next one would be like this, so it would be 200, and next would be 400, sorry, 300, the top right, 400 200. I guess it will look, yeah, that's correct, and last would be simple one. So now I guess you would be able to understand the logic behind why I used to say that you should go in a particular manner, in a clockwise manner, and the coordinates should be one behind each other, so that you'll be able to locate them easily, and it becomes easier for you all guys to make any object in any object or these steps. See, we are able to make a cube with the help of the line command in Qbasic. So now I hope you enjoyed it and you liked the video about. So if it was helpful for you, so a like would be appreciated, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever our next video goes live. So thanks for watching. This is Qbasic and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.